I am Jyoti Kumari, assistant professor in RPIT campus. Today we are going to learn about the Romanowski stains. So, first we need to understand that what are the Romanowski stains. The Romanowski stains are the stains that are used in hematology and cytological studies to differentiate cell in microscopic examination of blood and bone marrow samples. Then these stains are also applied to detect the presence of parasites in the blood, such as malarial parasite. These are various Romanowski staining types that apply the same principle. They include, for example, Giemsa stain and Wright stain. Then here is the principle of Romanowski stains. The stains are neutral made up of oxidized methylene blue, that is azure dyes, and eosin Y. The azures are basic dye that binds to the acid nuclei, forming a blue purple color. The acid dye eosin binds to the alkaline cytoplasm, forming red coloration. Romanowski staining works principally in its ability to produce a variety of hues, which makes it possible to differentiate various cellular components. This ability is known as the Romanowski effect, and also it is known as the metachromasia. The mixture of active eosin Y and active methylene blue was attributed to the formation of hues that distinguished the cell components. In that shades of purple are formed in the cell chromatins of the nucleus, and the granules in the cytoplasm of some white blood cells, to which Romanowski defined as the Romanowski-Giemsa stain. Then here is the types of Romanowski stain. First one is Giemsa stain. This is a special stain used for the examination of blood films for the parasitic infection and the majority of the diagnosis of the malaria. And it is also used as a differential stain for the various blood cells, that is erythrocyte, platelets, and leukocytes, and cellular components such as the nuclear and the cytoplasm. Then it is made up of acidic and basic dyes of eosin Y and methylene blue. Hence, it is an azure stain. They produce blue-purple colored staining of the nuclear and red-pink coloration of the cytoplasm and cytoplasmic granules. Then it is used in the cytogenetics and histopathology for diagnosis of malaria, spirochetes, and other blood parasite, Borrelia species, Yersinia pestis, and then histoplasma species. Then Leishmania stain. This stain was developed by William Leishman using polychromatic methylene blue and eosin methanol solvent. The stain is used to differentiate and identically white blood cells, malarial parasite, and the trichomonas. The use of methanol act as a fixative preventing perforation. Then here is the principle of Leishman stain. First, we need to prepare the slide and air dry the film. Then cover the film with Leishman stain and allow it act for the at least 1 minute. Then methanol and the methanol present in the Leishman stain automatically fixes the preparation. And then add the double amount of distilled water to the slide and mix it well. Then allow the dilute stain to act for 10 to 12 minutes at least. Then wash film and with distilled water of or phosphate buffer of pH, it should be 7.0. Then drain and dry in air and examine. Then there is the application of Roman-Voski stain. Roman-Voski stains are applied in several studies and diagnostics, majority in hematology and cytological diagnosis. Examination of blood films for blood-borne infections such as rickettsia related infections to detect bone marrow defects. Uh, then here is the advantages and disadvantages for the Roman Voski stains. Advantages are that the stains are readily available, they are simple to prepare, maintain, and use easily. Then disadvantages that the morphological features of the cell may be distorted. The use of required pH buffer is important to ensure maintaining the dye color. So this is all about the Roman Voski stains. Thank you very much.